My one last question on this regard is more of a case study, right? So people nowadays, we have seen very premature diseases and all that. So assume if somebody like at the age of 40 who's doing everything fine, doesn't have any health issues at that age, and getting all his master health checkup and everything done, and he's absolutely normal. But provided that the kind of stress people at age of 40 go through, if he continues this same kind of work, the same kind of stress for another 10-15 years, so he's more probable to get yeah. So does acupuncture or other healing treatments help him maintain the kind of a balance that he has at this point to even in the later time?
It's a good question. Of course, there are a lot of people like this. I had a patient. He gave me so much of depression that one of his colleague passed away, sudden heart attack. So suddenly he felt so scared, kind of a phobia. He came running to me. I'm so scared, like I'm getting into depression. It could happen to me also one day. So it's very gentle, natural way of feeling.
Right.
See here, more than acupuncture. The way I practice acupressure also. See, acupressure is mainly, I tell people, for maintenance and preventing. So definitely acupuncture, if there is any particular problem at that particular point of time, we will give acupuncture. Otherwise, there is no need to get needle, but we will definitely advise them with some points, specific points which keeps them on a general health, all their general health. There are specific points which is very good for good circulation, very good blood control, pain management, elimination, all those things. So we have even de-stressing themselves.
Okay.
So they can use those points. We give them. So when if somebody comes like that, I advise them and I teach them, train them to how to activate these points through pressure, and they can keep doing it every day at home. Not only them, even the children, even in their family, everybody can do it, and they can keep their body very healthy.
So basically, they can embed this into their lifestyle.
It's kind of a practice. It's kind of a practice. How you eat your breakfast, next you get up daily, you do your work, and this also they have to adapt. Also they have to adapt as one particular regimen of exercise. Keep doing it every day. So definitely. There are people who have been doing this and keeping their health, life very healthy.
How much of a time does it take? Like, what is the general duration of one session?
One session usually it is 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
The moment I needle, I leave them for 35 to 40 minutes. So sometimes we give it both the sides of their body. So if it is required, the same session we give for both. So that time I will reduce 20 minutes, 40 minutes like that. Otherwise, if it is only one side, I give it 40 minutes.
So generally
it is
45 minutes session is a good
session. Yes.
Okay, very nice. I think I had most of my doubts cleared out. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, and thanks for asking all these things. I really, it helps a lot of people to go through this therapy.
Right.
It's really good. I have seen a lot of people. One lady had come recently. She had sciatica pain, she had some knee pain, so many other pains. Can't sit, can't squat, and all. She just came 2 days. She got, and she was so happy. Third day she came. I'm telling all my people, just go get pricked and you're fine in few days. It's something miracle. So people has to start trusting this therapy, autoimmune therapy, drugless therapy. Hope people will come forward.
Yeah.
I'm also training a lot of people to help others to get rid of their regular common ailments.
I think this was a very good session where we could get a lot of insights from Lata. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Abhishek.